Hello, I'm Melissa McCanny and welcome to 2 Cents Tuesdays, where I pick a leadership topic and share some tidbits that might help you in your endeavours to be the best boss you can be. Today's topic is uncomfortable silences. That was about 10 seconds of silence, but it felt like longer. The thing is, saying nothing can be hugely powerful in the right situations. Why? Because it gives people time to think, leaves them no choice but to give you an answer, and allows you to dig deeper. Let's take an example where you're having a difficult conversation with a team member. Maybe they've been consistently missing important deadlines and you need to try to get to the bottom of why. You start the conversation by describing what you've observed and then you ask them what's causing them to miss the deadlines. Avoid the temptation to put words in their mouth. It's presumptuous and gives them an easy out. So if you find yourself saying, "Is that because?" Stop. Now's the time to sit quietly and wait for them to give you an answer. Wait for however long it takes, but don't worry, it won't take long. Now, their first answer is likely to be a superficial one. So then you could ask them, "What else?" Then sit quietly again and let them think and repeat until you get the real reasons. It's going to feel a bit weird for you, but my advice is to push through it. You've probably played the conversation over in your head a few times before having it, so you've had the time to think about what to say. They haven't, so it's only fair to give them the time to process things. Just take a breath and relax, and they will do the same, and the answers will come out. Thanks for listening, and please feel free to leave your 2 cents worth on this topic in the comments. And if you have a topic you'd like me to cover, just pop that in the comments too. Have a great day.